Percentages review number 3. This video will cover using percent equation or proportions to compare parts, wholes, and percents. The percent equation can be written as part equals whole times percent. The whole is 100% and may also be referred to as a base. A percent is the ratio per 100 and is reported as a fraction or a decimal. The part is the amount resulting from multiplying the percent ratio times the whole. The percent equation can be put into a fact family triangle. So the whole, or the 100%, times the percent ratio as a fraction or decimal equals the part. That means the part divided by the whole equals the percent ratio, and the part divided by the percent ratio equals the whole. To help us see this, let's find 50% of 6. So because 6 is our whole, it would go in the bottom. 50% as a fraction or a decimal. So we can have 50 hundredths if we want to use the fraction. We could simplify that to 1/2, or we could use the decimal 5/10. So we have 6 times 5/10 equals 3. 6 times 1/2, which is also equal to 50 hundredths, equals 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. So we can use the percent ratio as a fraction or as a decimal. And the result is 3, so the part is 3. Using this, 3 divided by 6 does equal 1/2 or 0.5. 3 divided by 0.5 does equal 6. And 1/2 times 6 equals 3. Let's use our fact family triangle to solve the next problem. 15 is what percent of 60? So the unknown is the percent. We know that our whole is going to be 60. So 60 is our base, or our 100%. We're looking for what percent 15 is. That means 15 is going to be our part. So to find our percent ratio, we're going to do 15 divided by 60. So this is already the percent ratio as a fraction, but it's not over 100 yet. So we can find an equivalent fraction over 100, or we can divide in our calculator. 15 divided by 60 gives you 25 hundredths. If we multiply by 100 to turn this into a percent, we get 25%. So 15 is 25% of 60. If we wanted to double check this, we could do 25% times 60, and we would get 15. Let's use our percent equation one more time to find the missing whole. 20 is 10% of what number? So 20 is going to be the part. 10% as a fraction would be 10 out of 100, or 1/10, which equals 1/10 as a decimal. So to find our missing whole, we're going to do 20 divided by 1/10, and we get 200. So 20 is 10% of 200. That means that 10% of 200 is 20.